when Facebook first started, or when they had their first launch, it was more of a platform where friends can share updates or information among one another. Likewise, Twitter. When Twitter was first launched, it was a platform, or let me put it this way: it's a miniature version of a personal blog where you can drop your opinion or whatever thing you feel like is your view. Okay, and come to think of it, over the years, these social media platforms had actually grown to be huge and big marketing platforms. Okay, and that's to show you the importance of social media marketing, and also the gain and the essence or the profits of using or having knowledge about social media marketing. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still Francis Eze, and if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also super welcome. In my channel, I talk about how to make money online, and I also teach you every other thing that is attached to making money online, so that you can have a good life, make money from the comfort of your home without having to step out or having to pass through stress and all that. Make as much money as possible, stay happy, solve your problem, and live a better life. Okay, so I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online or any other thing that is attached to making money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. Okay, and if you are generous enough and you've gotten lots and lots of value from my channel, I would also like you to share this video with your friends, okay, so that they can also benefit from the same thing you are benefiting from. Okay, so today we are talking about how to start social media marketing as a beginner. If you've tried this in the past, you know that it could actually be confusing sometimes due to loads of information out there. But in this video, I've summarized everything to 4 simple steps. Okay, so first and foremost, social media marketing it has proven to be, one of the biggest things out there on the internet space. And small businesses and big business brands had actually registered huge and lots of success and positive results using social media marketing. And one good thing about social media marketing is it's something that you can use for yourself as an individual. You can actually make money for yourself as an individual, and you can also use the skill to work for big brands and make good income. Okay, so for beginners, what's actually social media marketing? Social media marketing is nothing other than the use of social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok to reach out or to market your product and services to your targeted audience. Okay, there are so many things you can actually do with social media marketing. You can actually build your brand, increase your brand awareness, get sales, get people to buy whatever service or product that you offer. It can also help you to generate leads. Okay, you can generate lots and lots of leads, especially for those of you that do affiliate marketing, or for those of us that actually indulge in affiliate marketing. Social media marketing can help you to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, which ends up making you sales and all that. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, so many content out there talk about social media marketing, and for a beginner, it could actually seem overwhelming, because even as a few days ago, a friend of mine who wants to do Amazon KDP, chatted me up, complaining about how she had gone through loads and loads of videos for the past 2 months, yet she has not started, implementing what she learned. And when it comes to social media marketing or everything about digital marketing out there are so many information out there. And as a beginner, you could get easily confused or overwhelmed with information overload. And some other times, it could be the processes involved that's going to get you overwhelmed, and you end up not doing anything. But nevertheless, you don't have to worry, because in this video, I've actually, broken everything down to 4 simple steps which you just have to take so you can master the whole social media marketing as a beginner. Okay, so you don't have to worry. 4 simple steps. And without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So the step 1 is this. Whenever you want to do social media marketing, the first thing you should ask yourself is, who are your audience? Okay, because you could actually do social media marketing for your own product or service, or for a company. So whenever you want to, get started with social media marketing, the first question is, who are your audience? Because it's going to determine the platform you are going to use, the things you are going to use, the process and the measures you are going to implement. Okay, so who are your audience? What are their age? What is their gender? What are their pains? What are their desires? And are they individuals or are they businesses? Or let me put it this way: are they consumers? Pure end consumers or businesses? Okay, so the next step is, where are they? Where are your audience? Or which social media platform do they frequent or do they prefer? Okay, for businesses, trust me, you will find lots of businesses or business clients on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is more of a business platform. Okay, but if you're looking for end users, that's end consumers, you could actually find them on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. Okay, so if you need to know where your audience frequent social media they frequent, because at this point or this step is going to determine so many things when it comes to you marketing to them using the social media platform. Because if you make the mistake of not spotting where they are, you'll be busy spending your funds or your money on a platform where you can't find most of them. Okay, so the next one is, get right in front of them. You don't have to wait for them to get to you. You don't have to wait for them to come to you. You are the person marketing a service or a product to them. They need to see you. Okay, so get right in front of them. Don't be shy about it. Put out content, put out values, locate them where they are, and keep pushing this thing right to their face. That's the third step. Okay, and for you to get right in front of them, there are so many things you need to do. First and foremost, you need to already know where they are. So you need to find your content mix strategy. Content mix strategy is, how do you put out your content out there? Personally, I use the 80-20% percentage. Okay, 80% of the time you're going to drop content out there, it has to be either you are entertaining your audience, you are informing your audience, or you are educating your audience. Then the remaining 20% would be you promoting your product or your service. Okay, so the next one is, establish a posting schedule. Okay, depending on who your target audience are they businesses? If they are businesses, you know that businesses looking for services out there, they are going to be most active between Mondays and Thursdays, and it has to be between the hours of 10 or 11 a.m. till like 4 p.m. Okay, and you could find these people, like I mentioned earlier, in LinkedIn and some other platforms. Okay, then, but if your audience are consumers, you need to post at a time when they are most active on the social media platform. And oftentimes you will see that they are active or on those platforms between the hours of 6 p.m. and 11 or 9, between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. or even up to 10 or 11 p.m. So you try to post when they are most active, and consumers that are not businesses or target audience that are not businesses, they are most active Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because those times are they are not actively in office working. They're actually on social media trying to relax, catch fun and entertain themselves. So you need to find a good posting strategy so you know when to post, depending on the kind of audience you are targeting. And the next one is, evaluate your metrics and optimize. When you start, posting and all that, you need to look at your engagement rates, your clicks, your shares, your impressions, your reach, and all that. You need to actually evaluate your metrics. You need to check out, you need to check when do you get the highest number of comments, the highest number of shares, and all that. If you're able to find out when you get the most result, then post more at that time. Okay. Then the next one, or the fourth step, we are done with getting in front of them. Then the fourth step is, sell them something. Once you have your audience, or once you've already amassed your audience, don't just hang in there giving them value and all. Sell them something. The truth is that those your audience want to contribute to whatever thing you are doing. The moment you start giving them value from day one, they subconsciously feel indebted to you, because they've learned a lot from you and they've not been able to give back. So sell them something. Don't always feel like, oh, if I should sell them something, they may leave my channel and all that. Hell no. It doesn't happen like that. They actually want to be part of your business. They actually want to be part of whatever thing you are doing, because you've given them lots and lots of value and they've benefited from you even without paying anything. And by the time you sell them something, that's the fourth step. Then rinse and repeat this selling process. If you sell them, if you sell them shirts today, the next day sell them a pair of trousers. The next day sell them premium watch, sell them shoes, sell them socks. Keep selling to them. And remember, while you sell to them, don't be 100%, posting product to sell. Use our 80 to 20% or 80-20% strategy of 80% of entertainment, education, information, as against 20% of promotion and marketing. Okay, so with these 4 steps, as a beginner, social media marketing will actually be very, very easy for you. You don't have to stress so much. Just as a way to recap, the first step is define your audience, their age, their gender, their pain. Are they individuals or businesses? The next step is, where are they, or which social media platform do they frequent? The third step is, get right in front of them. Okay, and the last step is, sell them something. So, having been with me in this video up to this moment, I so much thank you, and I would indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will actually be among the first to be notified. And if you are kind enough, you could also share this video to your friends who may need this information, so that they can actually benefit from what you are benefiting. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.